vloggy vlog. Welcome back
Your
to another video. It's my baby's first birthday weekend. I'm kind of quiet because she in the bed sleep.
Oh, I'm loud.
But yeah, it's her first birthday weekend, so we're headed to the National Children's Museum right now. We were trying to make it to this baby Jana start at 10:30, but we ain't gonna make it. I don't know if they have another one, but she gonna have a good time regardless. And then tomorrow we're going to the zoo. So super.
We finna have a ball.
I was not prepared for her to start reversing, so it caught me off guard. But yeah, so super excited. We're gonna take her pictures and stuff later today. It's gonna be a whole thing, a whole vibe, a whole shebang for her first birthday. We weren't able to do a party because I don't know if this video coming before the house hunting video, but we're in the process of trying to move, so it was too much trying to party move. So I was like, alleviate your stress, sis, alleviate your stress. So that's what we got going on this weekend. I'm really about to have a 1-year-old. She's about to be one tomorrow, August 12th. Today is August 11th. And I'm not in shambles, but like, I'm really about to have a 1-year-old, y'all. That's crazy. I don't even feel like I'm old enough to have a 1-year-old. I might be 30, but I don't feel like I'm old enough. Like, I don't know. Part of me is like, you too childish to have a child. But T is what it is. I just wanted to check in, start the vlog, so we ain't just pop in and we in the middle of like fun and chaos and y'all like, what in the world going on?
Shenanigans.
He's excited.
We finna act a fool. We finna cut up. Ain't that right, Long girl? She sleep. But in her dreams, she already cutting up.
Alright, we'll check in with y'all later.
Like, even if you don't know.
Say hi. 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 Birthday. Birthday. Birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
She said, I'm about to be one. It ain't no more car seats. Unless we in the car.
Birthday. It's your birthday.
Three. Whee! Let's do it again. Come on. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yeah, mama.
Tell them how you were showing out. Showing out. Not you want to scream. You want to scream, but you don't want to play? Okay.
A little bit more. It's alright. Outside.
She's not a fan, y'all.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think she's confused by the mirrors.
Maybe.
She's looking at the dress like, what is going on? No. You see the baby? You see the baby? You see the baby? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You ain't go down the slide? You ain't go down the slide? You ain't go down the slide? Come on, let's go down the slide.
Oh, Lord. All right, let's see how this goes. No, you're fine. I just want to see you.
All right. So 1, 2, 3. Come on. Let's do it again. Come on. Let's do it again. Come on, let's do it again. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
She'll be one tomorrow.
You told her to get her to come out and be festive.
He'll be one in like a couple weeks, right?
Yeah. Where you going, girl? Where you going?
I think she needed a minute by herself. So like,
Where you going? Where you going? And she was hungry too, so.
yeah.
Where you going? You gonna roll it? Say roll it. Roll it. Oh, yay! Roll it.
I haven't checked in since the museum. Hi. But we're back home. We all took a much needed nap. And now we're about to take her photos in a little bit. So I figured I would pick the camera up so y'all can join us. What would you like to add? Yes. What's up? It's too low. Huh? y'all. It's the next day. We are getting ready to go to the zoo. Husband just went to go get her godmom. And then we're gonna head out. So I'm about to put some socks on and my sneakers. And yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Good big bump. I tried to like wear some other clothes, but I was like, I ain't got it in me. Y'all couldn't even like find something because it's too hot. So the issue was I was like, well, I need a dress because I can't fit my jeans and I don't really have like shorts that are like kind of more kid appropriate to be at the zoo and stuff. And then also like trying to bend over. I ain't got time for that. So this is what we got. And I ain't have a bra at work with this dress, so whatever. But here is baby girl. Happy birthday, mamas. You took your bow out? I just put that bow in your head. Say birthday. 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 It's your birthday. Birthday. Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to kick today off. Let me put this bow back in her head and get her ready to go. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go. Hey y'all. It's a little dark. Okay, we adjusted. We are back home. She had a blast. And whew, we're about Faye's not a fan, but that's what's gonna happen. This her little cake. Isn't cute? So, literally, that's it. And then we also got. Oh. Oh, because it's sealed. Oh, Lord. Okay. And then we got a small, like, carrot cake for her. She actually wanted to eat it. Lordy. Oh, Lord. Cousin, what? Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Clap, clap. Happy birthday to ya. Yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey. Oh. Alright, let's blow your candle out. Alright, you gotta make a wish, mamas. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Lord. Yay!
Yay,
Lana. Oh, Lord. Alright, so now. Do you want to mess with your cake or no? No, you're not. Get your cake, mamas. Get your cake. I don't think she want to do it. Okay, here. No, you don't like it? You don't want to make a mess? Okay. All right. The smash cake was not for her, guys. Well, that cake.